Snipe Squad, what is going on? Back again, it is your boy Sniper Jones, and I am back with another video for your head top. What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel, man. As you can see, we officially hit 20,000 subscribers. Thank y'all so much, man. The grind is so real. I put so much into the videos, I put so much into the content, and just seeing it pay off slowly but surely means everything in the world to me. So if you are one of these new subs, man, thank you for coming over. And if you've been rocking with me for a very long time, thank you for having the faith and continuing to watch the videos, man. So if we can please get this video to at least 1,000 likes to bring in the 20K celebration, it would mean so much to me. Y'all know, man, the marathon continues. We are still on that chase to 100,000 by the end of the year. It's 20,000, man. It's just surreal, bro. So I just wanted to thank y'all before we get into the video. Much love, man. Thank each and every last one of y'all. All right, now listen, man. It's no surprise, okay? Or at least it was a surprise. Yesterday, the Jordan 4 of the year dropped. Maybe the biggest Jordan 4 of all time. No other than the Jordan Bred 4 dropped yesterday on a shock drop at about 6 o'clock to be exact. Now, before I start this video, I have to give a shout out to my big bro Unbreakable Kicks, because he hit me up and he told me, look, Snipe, be ready for this, it's gonna drop. And hey, look, he didn't let me down, bro. He did not let me down. Honestly, without him hitting me up and letting me know that that shit was dropping, I probably would have missed out, because I'm so busy editing, getting you guys out content. As you know, I drop daily content, daily videos. That takes up a lot of time. So usually I'm either in front of the camera or behind editing, and my phone is like somewhere else. I would have not got that message, and I would have not known that that shoe was dropping. And y'all all know it's my favorite Jordan 4 of all time, you know, so it's a must cop. So for me to have it early and be able to get early to you guys, it's lit, man. Like, it is lit. Now, with that being said, man, this shoe is just like going crazy all over social media. I know I'm a day late, trust me, I know. I just had to get that video out yesterday, which was the best summer sneakers to rock this upcoming summer. So if you haven't watched that, check it out. But I know a lot of people dropped this video. I know I'm late, but I could not let this slide without me talking to y'all. My experience was a little bit different, okay? So I was actually, I knew it was gonna drop. You know, I even knew what time it was gonna drop. But something crazy happened. So I'm at my phone, I'm refreshing, I'm ready at 6 o'clock, and then I see like this dope Jordan animation just pops up, and I press buy now. I had this dope animation, this nice little screen, I press buy now, and it crashes. I'm like, yo, bro, what is going on? Like what's up? I'm super sorry, because y'all know my sneakers app luck is just terrible. I never have luck. I never hit on the sneakers app. Now, I might hit on shock drops. I hit on the shock drop for the Concords, the black infrared 6s, and now I can throw these on the list as well. But the thing is, I never hit on draws. So it's way more draws than shock drops. I never really hit on sneakers. So I'm like, the one time I know the shoe coming, it crashes, bro. So I'm super sorry, man. I had the ups on it. It crashed at 6 o'clock, and some reason I was just like, yo, look, don't give up. Maybe it's gonna drop again. I had no idea, but come 6:15, 6:16, it dropped again. But that's not it though. I pressed the button for the sneaker, and the price point didn't come up. If you use sneakers app, then you already know, in order to purchase your sneaker, you have to press the price point, which will be $190, $200 or whatever. You're then able to, you know, pick your size and go out with the shipping and stuff like that. But the price point didn't show up. So I started freaking out, because in the back of your mind, you already know it's hundreds of people trying to get this shoe. Which is very important, because if it would have just went through the regular shock at 6 o'clock, I would have been more comfortable. But by it already tried to drop at 6 o'clock, the J23 app already alerted everybody it tried to drop at 6 o'clock. Everybody is way more aware now. If it would have just dropped the first time nobody knew, I wouldn't have panicked, because nobody knew. But by it dropping at 6 and re-dropping at 6:15, I knew it was people still like me, like, hold up, it might drop again. So I'm just like super panicking, making sure, or trying to make sure I get my pair, because of course I want it early. So I found the price point, man. I get it. I'm waiting in line, and I'm just like, man, I honestly was thinking that I took too long finding the price point, because you had to scroll all the way down to the bottom of the screen and get the shoe. And I thought it was too late. I'm like, damn, I'm in line. It's not gonna go through. I'm pretty sure I did not hit for this pair. And it wound up going through, and it wound up saying got them. So that was super dope. Unbreakable got his like next day shipping. I didn't even know you can do that. So from now on, I'm gonna try that as well, like the next day shipping, so I can get these to you ASAP. But who out there hit? I've seen a lot of people hit for this sneaker. Like, I was looking on my Instagram timeline and scrolling, just about everybody who knew about it hit. Now, there's a lot of people that didn't know about it, but whoever was around their phone for that time being hit for a pair, man. So that has me thinking, maybe it's not gonna be as general release as we thought. You know what I'm saying? Maybe it's gonna be a lot less, because don't get confused. Just because they put out a lot on sneakers doesn't necessarily mean they're gonna put a lot through retail. Now, Bred 4 is gonna be a big GR. I think it's gonna be a lot. Hey, look, you never know. You seen what it was with the Candy Cane 14s. Sneakers had a lot, they still have some, but as far as like the actual sneaker stores, Foot Locker, Foot Action, Finish Line, Champs, they were very scarce, at least here in Georgia. I can't speak for everywhere, but where I'm at in Atlanta, it was hard. I didn't even get a pair. It was definitely tough because I was like kind of nonchalant about it. I'm kind of used to them sitting, so I didn't really have no urgency about it. But listen, I want to hear your stories. I'm going to be going through the comments, reading all of y'all stories. Let me know if you copped them, did you pass on them, if you did pass, or if you did not get your chance to get your pair. Look, it's not that big of a deal. For me, of course, I want to get it early because I want to show you guys, but for the people, they're coming out. All right, it's going to be another pair, it's going to be another release, the official release, and all the sneaker stores, and trust me, you should have a great chance of getting them, so don't be too bummed out. Now, if this was like a sneaker apps only kind of thing, like how the Off-Whites are, Fear God are, and they're only at like boutiques and sneakers app, and you miss, that's a lot different. This, trust me, you still have time, you still have an opportunity. Don't go buying resale prices yet. You still have a chance to get them for the retail price, which was $200. I was like, God, Lee, $200. Did I eat first? You know what I'm saying? Like, hey, look, 200 is climbing up there, man. I remember when Jordans was like 180, then it climbed to 185, then it climbed to 190. Now they just $200, man. It really had me thinking that $160 price point for the Jordan 1s, I don't know when, but trust me, that price is gonna go up sooner than later. I just don't see the Jordan 1 staying at 160. I know that's what makes that shoe attractive and what really has a lot of resellers buying a lot of pairs, because it's easy to get a flip off a $160 shoe. But just seeing how all these price points are moving up, that Jordan 1 price point moving up is coming soon, man. It's coming soon. Honestly, outside of the Jordan Bred 4s, man, the only Jordan 4 I think is as iconic or even in that same atmosphere in the Jordan 4 community has to be the white cement 4s. I believe that this shoe also has the Nike Air in the back, but I think that this shoe is in that same category. Some people might say it's not, but when I think of Jordan 4s, this is like the only one that like pops out. The Jordan Bred 4 is just easily, to me, the best Jordan 4. So not only tell me if you cop the Bred 4 or not, what is your favorite Jordan 4? Is it the Thunder 4s? Is it the Cab, aka Nick 4s? Is it the white cement 4s? I want to know. It's Pure Money 4s. It's a lot of other 4s out there. Cactus Jack. You know, in my opinion, that Bred 4 is just super classic. The white cement is like the only ones that come close to it, and that's really saying a lot, guys. Man, quickly before we head out, I know in the intro I thanked you guys, but on the back end, man, I just want to thank you guys again, man. A lot of people watch my channel for just sneakers, but I try to do more. How successful I am, I can't really gauge that. I just want to sit here and talk to my real watchers, man, my real viewers who actually, you know, appreciate the time and effort that it takes making content. You guys, man, no matter what you're doing, your situation, I love to use my platform to motivate. That's why every single video I make, I tell you guys to dream big, because I know a lot of you guys are in certain situations that you don't know if it's possible to do what you want to do. No matter how good you are at your craft, time, man, time is definitely one of those factors that creeps into people's mind and it causes doubt. You know what I'm saying? J. Cole is one of my favorite rappers, and he had a line that stuck out to me. It said, getting better but never getting younger. And all that time can make the most confident person wonder. And what he means by that is just like, no matter how good you are at your craft, it don't have to be YouTube, it can be whatever. When time passes by and you're not moving as fast as you want to, it's natural, or it's like a human instinct to start to doubt, because you're like, why is it didn't happen? It's been years, it's been years. I'm here to tell y'all, like, just keep pushing, man. It's like, the worst thing we can do is look around and say, man, so-and-so got here in no time. So-and-so got here faster. Everybody has their own life. everybody has their own path, and that's why, hey, look, man, in the words of Nipsey, man, TMC, the marathon continues. Your race is not somebody else's race. And I hate to be preachy, but I just love to talk to my audience, man, because I'm literally in this stage right now of just dream chasing, pushing out content, trying to make YouTube my one and only job. I want to do this full time. I want to wake up every day, be able to put out videos for you guys, inspire you guys by just doing what I do. A lot of people wonder, how can you draw inspiration for sneakers? It's not about sneakers, man. I am doing what I love to do on a daily basis. A lot of you guys work jobs that you don't want to work to be able to support your family, and I understand that, you know what I'm saying? Everybody's dream is to do what they want to do for a job. Like, everybody's dream, no matter what it is, you want work to not feel like work. You know, you want to just be able to do what you love and get paid for it. And even though this is my outlet, you know, this is what I love to do. I love talking to you guys. I love engaging with you guys. That's why I go to all the sneaker cons and I try my best to motivate you guys. It's bigger than sneakers, man. If you have to watch me strive, because it might take time for me to be 1 million subs, I just know I'm not gonna quit. I know I'm not gonna stop. There's gonna be people that don't believe in you. I guarantee it. It's life, man. You're not the only person. People are gonna doubt you. People are gonna say you can't do it. They're gonna say this and say that. They're gonna hate on you for whatever reason. You have no control over that. They're gonna whisper your success, and every failure you ever had, they're gonna broadcast it to the world, because they don't want people to see the small steps you're taking. They just wanna exploit all of the mess ups, and it's up to you to have that passion. It's up to you to have that energy, man, to have that mindset that you're never going to stop. So when I say dream big, it's bigger than a slogan. It's real life. It's what I go through every single day I wake up, man. I stand in front of this camera and I dream of things that people around me can't see. It doesn't matter. It's not people around me, it's not their dream. It's mine, you know? So it's up to me to make that dream come true. And like I said, man, I'm sorry for nagging. I know I've been talking for a while, but I just want to uplift, man, and just thank y'all for helping me reach this milestone to what my dream is, you know what I'm saying? Being the best person I can be. And without further ado, man, I just want to leave y'all with something. My belief is stronger than your doubt. That's what you should be telling yourself. Whenever people doubt you, whenever people say you can't do something, your belief has to be stronger than their doubt. The will to succeed has to be stronger than their will to see you fail. And as long as that's taking place, you are on a right path, man, and amazing things is going to happen. So I appreciate y'all as always, man. Thank you so much for watching another video. I'm super humbled to be standing here in front of y'all with 20,000 people watching me and tuned in to this YouTube channel. I put everything I can into it, and it just feels amazing, man. Keep grinding, keep working, you guys. Shout out to everybody here from the Bred 4s on a lighter note, man. And until next time, it is your boy Sniper Jones. Everybody want to be famous, but who really putting in that work though? Snipe Squad, I love y'all. Dream big.